Good morning, students. I am here again to continue the chapters inside our earth that we have already discussed. We have discussed what is the interior of the earth system. This we have discussed. Little bit idea. Just go through it. In this one, we have discussed it is your core, mental. Mental is made up of silicate rocks, or the mental is made up of silicate rocks. We have discussed it. Now one thing that I want to say you. Suppose that if you have been given 1 glass of hot milk, 1 glass of hot milk during the summer season. Now just compare how much time will it take to cool down to such an extent that it becomes easy for you to sip. Just imagine the time, duration of time. At the same time, the same hot milk has been provided to you. Milk hi piyo, garam pani ko piyo. During the winter season, and imagine the time, how much time will you take to sip it? It means time taken by it to cool down. You will say, sir, ये तो पता है. In summer season, it takes long time to cool down. But in winter season, it takes less time to cool down. Now questions may arise, questions may be coming to your mind. Sir, while we are discussing the geography, while we are discussing the science, because this time it is related to science also, rate of cooling also. For example, see the difference. 100 degree Celsius boiling water is or milk is there, but in summer season temperatures hover to 45 degree during the summer season. How much difference is there? Difference is around 45. But in same hot milk has been provided to you, and it comes 10 degree during the winter. The difference is of 90 degree. Now in summer season the difference is of 55 degree, but in winter season the difference is 90 degree. Since the difference is more, what is the difference? The difference between the temperature of the body or object and its surrounding. Object and its surrounding is more. The rate of cooling would also be more. And if the difference between the temperature of the body and its surrounding is less, then temperature rate of cooling would also be the less. It means that's why the difference between the temperature of the body and its surrounding is less during the summer season, so it takes a little bit longer time to cool it down. But in winter season, the difference between the temperature of the body and surrounding is more, the rate of cooling would be more. It is very important to understand it before I do continue our geography. In geography, we have included the science. Geography itself is a science. Now, I do hope, please in your mind, you have understood it. The rate of cooling of an object depends on the temperature of the object or the body and its surrounding. Now, rocks, what is the rocks? Rocks are the mineral matters that makes of the earth crust is called the rocks. अर्थ क्रस्ट जो हमारा बना हुआ है वो रॉक्स का है, लिथोस्फेरिक पार्ट. इन लिथोस्फेरिक पार्ट, लिथोस्फेरिक 100 किलोमीटर thick, but the crust is 5 kilometer to 35 kilometer. At oceanic bed it is a 5 kilometer thick, but at the continental bed it is 30 to 40 kilometers. We take average as 35 kilometers. It is made up of rocks, and upper layer of rocks is made of soil. The soil is also made up of the rocks. We will discuss in another class that the color of the soil depends on the parent rocks. It means soil is also made up of the rocks. Soil supports the life because it supports agriculture. It gives the life to the plants. On the basis of the rocks that we are getting or finding onto the earth crust has been classified into 3 groups. Igneous rock, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. 3 types of rocks is there: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. We will discuss separately about these 3 types of rocks. First, we will discuss about the igneous rocks. Igneous, as the Latin word says, it is a fire. Why this rock is called it is made up of fire? It is made up of fire because the molten rocks that comes onto the earth's surface. Before I do it, continue a little bit technical. If the molten rocks, suppose it comes onto the earth's surface, then imagine, I can't ask you to measure it. It is molten rocks. Molten rocks inside the matter it is called magma, but when it comes onto the earth's surface it is called lava. When it comes onto earth's surface, just imagine how much temperature it would have when the rocks is in the molten state. कितना ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर होगा, and see what is the temperature of the surrounding is there. And when it cools down deep inside somewhere, ये यहाँ पे cool हो गया. See the difference in the temperature. It means over here, the difference between the temperature of the body and its surrounding is more. Obviously, rate of cooling would be more. It would cools down quickly. But as far as when it is trapped deep inside the earth crust, rate of cooling would be less than comparative to this one. It will take a longer time to cool down. On these characteristics, it has been classified into 2 groups. One is exclusive igneous rocks, another one is intrusive igneous rocks. Extrusive igneous rock and intrusive igneous rock. Extrusive, external part bahar aata. When it cools down onto the earth's surface, means when it cools down on the surface. When it cools down the surface, कैसे cool down होगा? According to the rate, fast. Cools down quickly or quickly and rapidly. When it cools down rapidly, it forms the fine grain structure. Grain structure fine महीन दाना. Two or three things you have got. When the molten magma comes onto the surface, when it comes on the earth's surface, and when it comes on the surface, it is known to you, it cools down quickly or rapidly. When it cools down quickly and rapidly, it forms a fine grain structure. Example has been given. It is basalt. One part, when the molten magma comes onto the earth's surface, कहाँ जाएगा? अर्थ सरफेस पे. और जैसे अर्थ सरफेस पे आएगा पता चल गया कि इट विल कूल डाउन क्विकली. एंड क्यों कूल डाउन क्विकली हो जाएगा? इट इज नोन दैट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन टेम्परेचर ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट एंड सराउंडिंग इज मोर. एंड व्हेन इट कूल्स डाउन क्विकली इट क्रिएट्स द फाइन ग्रेन स्ट्रक्चर. जो ग्रेन स्ट्रक्चर होगा महीन होगा. एग्जांपल दिया है बसाल्ट. बट व्हेन इट नॉट कम्स ऑनटू द अर्थ सरफेस, it traps somewhere deep inside the crust. Crust के अंदर में ही हो, कहीं न कहीं ट्रैप हो गया. Then कहाँ? Inside the earth crust. And when it is trapped deep inside the earth crust, the rate of cooling would be slow. Slowly. Comparison to this one, the difference in the temperature of the body and surrounding would be less, so rate of cooling would be more. And when rate of cooling is slow, and when rate of cooling is slow, it forms the big grain structure. When it is cools down, it cools down deep inside the earth crust. Earth crust में आता है, वही 5 किलोमीटर से 30 किलोमीटर की डिफरेंस है. Cools down slowly because difference in the temperature less. Big grain structure दाना होगा, बड़ा होगा comparative to this one. Granite, ये नाम बहुत सुना होगा. Granite is an example of intrusive igneous rock. We have got the extrusive igneous rock, we have got the intrusive igneous rock. Till now we have got the difference, two different types of igneous rock. Igneous, I have told you, igneous in Latin word, it means fire. And why it is termed as a fire? Simply because when the molten magma comes, rocks in the molten state, its temperature is very high, and when it flows, it burns everything that comes in their path. That it has been compared as a fire. So one type of rocks we have got. Then we will go for sedimentary rocks. before I will start discussing these sedimentary rocks, I would like to give an example from our daily life. What example from daily life? Have you ever noticed either you or your mother is washing the clothes either in the bucket or in the washing machine? When this one is after washing it with the soap or the detergent, it is allowed to flow, and you notice a very thin layer, very thin layer of the soap or detergent or the dirt has been deposited. It is very thin. We have to simply a little bit rubbing it and washing it. क्लियर करते हैं तो थोड़ा सा पतला सा व्हाइटिश लगता है, बोलते हैं ना कि बहुत ज्यादा गंदगी निकला है, देखो तो पूरा फर्श पे फैला हुआ है. It means that is the part of the dirt as well as the part of the soap and detergent. These get deposited. It means if you have seen and understood, then you can easily understand the formation of sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are formed by the sediments. Sediments are the fragment, small fragment or particles of the rocks. It may be of igneous rock, it may be of sedimentary rocks itself, it may be of metamorphic rocks. That third we will discuss it. When these small fragmented particles, due to weathering of the rocks, क्लाइमेट अफेक्ट करता है, टूटता जाएगा, टूटते टूटते बहुत ही छोटा होगा, is carried away or washed away by wind and water, and when it is carried away, it is deposited in the lower land, somewhere in the lower land. It means it is deposited in the layers. एक के बाद एक जमा होना शुरू हो गया. जैसे कपड़ा धोते हैं, छोड़ देंगे, वॉशरूम को साफ नहीं करेंगे, तो उसके ऊपर जो कपड़ा धोने के बाद एक लेयर जमा होना शुरू हो जाता है गंदगी का, वो जमा होना शुरू हो जाता है. In the same way, it is deposited in the layers, and when it goes layer after layer, layer after layer, then it gets condensed due to high pressure. It takes millions of years for it to get converted into rocks. It hardens under the pressure, so it forms the rocks. When the plants, animals get buried under this layer, in the long run, it is being converted into fossil fuels. Coal and petroleum are the fossil fuels. It means from where we get the fossil fuel? We get the fossil fuel from the sedimentary rocks. We get the fossil fuels from the sedimentary rocks. Sandstone. Sandstone is an example of your sedimentary rocks. Our red fort is made up of red sandstone. Most of the old buildings are made up of sandstone. It is a red sandstone. Its color was the red sandstone. What type of rock it is? It is the sedimentary rocks. It means we have got how the sedimentary rocks are formed. Sedimentary rocks are formed due to the deposition of fragment or sediment that is brought by the wind or the water. It means we have got two types of rock. One more type of rock is there. It is your metamorphic rocks. When the two types of rock, either igneous rock or sedimentary rocks goes under temperature and pressure, goes under high temperature and high pressure. In the long run, it is converted into a new form of rocks. This the new form of rocks is called metamorphic rocks. If you take the clay, it becomes silicate. And if you take the limestone, it is converted to marble. It is both slate as well as the marble is the metamorphic rocks, and how the metamorphic rocks is formed, it is actually the conversion of the rocks. Which rocks? Is igneous rock or sedimentary rocks, when it goes under the high temperature and pressure. It means we have got the three types of rocks. One is igneous rock, another one is sedimentary rocks, third one is metamorphic rocks. The example and how these type of rocks has been formed. Now we will discuss about the rock cycle. What is the rock cycle? Rock cycle is the conversion of a rock from one form to another form when it is subjected to high temperature and pressure. Conversion of a rock from one form to another form when it is subjected to high temperature and pressure, it is called rock cycle. To understand the rock cycle, I have given you a diagram. Igneous rock, metamorphic rocks, and the sedimentary rocks. We have already read how these three types of rocks are formed. We have discussed when the either igneous rock or sedimentary rocks goes under high temperature and pressure, it is converted to another form of rocks. It is called metamorphic rocks. See, when the igneous rock goes under the high pressure, it gets compressed, metamorphic rocks. And sedimentary rocks also goes when the high pressure it is converted into metamorphic rocks. It means इजी अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए इग्नियस से मेटामॉर्फिक और सेडिमेंट्री से मेटामॉर्फिक बनेगा कब बनेगा? when it is subjected to high temperature and pressure. I hope it is clear from the definition itself how the igneous rock, metamorphic rocks are formed. We have discussed metamorphic rocks are formed when igneous rock and sedimentary rocks goes under high temperature and pressure. It means when the igneous rocks got the pressure in the long run, it is converted to metamorphic rocks. When the sedimentary rocks got the pressure, it converted to metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks itself, when goes and takes the high temperature, it melts down, and when it melts down, it is converted to igneous rock. पिघल जाएगा, पिघल के फिर बनेगा तो igneous rock हो गया. In the same way, when these sedimentary rocks are also melted, क्योंकि igneous rock molten state के बाद condense होता है, तो when these sedimentary rocks are melted under the high temperature, it is formed the igneous rock. From the definition, it becomes easy for you to draw the diagram. And how the sedimentary rocks are formed? Sedimentary rocks are formed by the deposition of sediments. How the sediments are formed, fragments are formed, it is due to the weathering of the rocks. Two food, wind है, water है, temperature है, biological process है. There are many processes प्रोसेस which weather the rocks टूट फूट के छोटा हो जाता है। हमारे पास तो सैंड आती है, कहां से आती है? ये फ्रेगमेंटेड फॉर्म ऑफ ए बिग रॉक्स है। तो सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स कैसे बनेगा? तो either metamorphic rocks goes under the weathering or the igneous rock goes under the weathering. Weathering means it is converted into a small fragment by the natural agents, maybe wind, maybe water, maybe biological process. Lichens are also there. It's a biological process. It means we have got the formation of different types of rocks at a precise way. It means we can say it is an igneous rock. Once again, from the definition it says how the igneous rock is formed. The igneous rock is formed when the either metamorphic rocks or sedimentary rocks melts due to high temperature. तो मेल्टिंग से बन जाएगा, क्या रखना है, क्योंकि इग्नियस रॉक का मतलब हो गया इट इज मेड आउट ऑफ फायर। तो फायर हो जाएगा कब? जो रॉक मोल्टेन स्टेट में होगा। कौन सा मोल्ट नहीं नीचे से निकल के आया, तो नीचे से निकल के आता है, नहीं आया तो when these metamorphic rocks and sedimentary rocks subject to high temperature it melts, and when it melts it forms another type of rock, it called igneous. We know that how the metamorphic rocks are formed. We know that metamorphic rocks are formed when the igneous rock and sedimentary rocks subject to high temperature and pressure. It means due to pressure, sedimentary rocks are due to pressure, igneous rock, it is metamorphic rocks. And how the sedimentary rocks are formed? It is formed by the fragment दोनों का होगा। It is कैसे होगा प्रोसेस? तो वेदरिंग से, तो वेदरिंग से इधर आ गया, वेदरिंग से इधर चला। It means I do hope you have understood the rock cycle without learning the diagrams. Only by understanding the definition that we have discussed you can understand what is the rock cycle. Now you people can tell me what are the uses of rocks? बहुत सारे uses हैं, बिल्डिंग्स बनाने में, ब्रिज बनाने में से लेकर खेलने तक ले, पत्थर का छोटा छोटा पत्थर का यूज करते हैं। So you have understood what is the site of the earth. Then we have also understood what are the different types of rocks, their formation, and we have also understood the rock cycle. Up to here, this chapter is finished. Chapter 2 of geography of class 7 is finished.